Hey everyone, so we're going to talk about building AI agents and making sure that they're working correctly. So this is the evaluation cycle. You start with the definition of what you're trying to accomplish, and then it goes into the build phase, the prompt phase, the run phase, score phase, and then the refine phase, and it continues that. So we're now getting into a practical application in Cursor. I'm actually asking Claude to create an evaluation test for me, and I'm asking it to create these files. And so it's created an agent, it's created an eval runner, and the agent is actually going to perform the evaluation for each question and answer pair. And I just need to input my Anthropic API key, which I've revoked. And what I've done is I've actually ran it, and it gave all the responses correctly. So you can see this is the eval runner right here, and this is actually how it's set up. It's just right within the code. Grade the AI responses, respond with only pass or fail, and we are then going to run it. We can run it right within the Cursor terminal, and we can see the outputs. And so running the full eval, you can see on the right there, it is running, and the agent actually added 2 cases designed to fail. So for example, for one of them, it's actually put that the capital of France is Berlin as the correct answer, even though that's not correct, it's France. But what we're going to see is if the evaluation is working, it will mark that as incorrect. And let's just go ahead and run that. So we're just going to paste it in here. And what you're going to see here is you can see for case number 3, it says, what is the capital of France? It says capital of France is Paris, but it failed because in our golden test case, it says Berlin is actually the capital of France. So as long as you have a golden data set, you can go ahead and compare and see what is correct and what is incorrect. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. It helps greatly to grow this channel, and let's connect. Take care.